MI-1765LT laptop arm for wall and pole mounting. Installation. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the wall mount plate on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16 drill bit and drill on the marked locations, then secure the wall mount plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall mount plate to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8 drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall mount plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Insert the decorative covers into each of the bolt holes. Cut the zip tie to release the spring arm. Place the end of the spring arm onto the end of the wall mount or pole mount, then tighten the bolt on the back of the spring arm. Attach the laptop clamps to the laptop tray using the clamp connectors. One end of the clamp connectors will pass through the outer slot on the laptop tray, while the other end will pass over the outer edge of the tray. Clip the clamp connectors into place on the clamps to secure them to the tray. Attach the laptop tray to the top 4 bolt holes on the spring arm using the provided bolts and washers. Flip the tab on the laptop clamps up to release the sliding arms. Place the laptop on the tray, slide the clamp arms until they are snug against the side of the laptop, and press the tabs back down to secure the arms in place. To tilt the laptop, loosen the screw behind the Visa assembly. Then, place the laptop at the desired angle. Then, tighten the screw back down. Cables can be run through the cable management clips on the underside of the spring arm. For pole mounting installation, using the provided hex wrench, loosen the 2 bolts on the pole clamp until the clamp opens wide enough to slide onto the pole. Move the clamp to the desired height and tighten the bolts back down until secure. For installation on thicker poles, remove the 2 bolts from the pole clamp and replace them with the alternative bolts. Then, adjust the width of the clamp to be slightly larger than the pole. Move the clamp to the desired height and tighten the bolts back down until secure.